Hello all, today is the 18th of April, which means that the matching and selection procedure has finished and we all got our ranking numbers for the study year of 2023 till 2024. And in this video I will show you my ranking number and also show you the next steps to really finalize the process of getting into the TU Delft Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering. So as you can see, I got ranking number 43. I'm very happy with it. It's more than enough to get into the Bachelor. There are 550 places and I got number 34, so I'm definitely in. So this is also proof that the videos on my channel they work. If you follow them, you'll have a higher chance. It's no guarantee, of course, but if you do exactly what I did, and there's a high chance that you also get in with a pretty good ranking number. If you already did the application and did the entrance exam, please let me know your ranking numbers in the comments, because I'm eager to know how you all did and if the videos worked. Also helps you guys to get in. So if you completed the selection test and you got your ranking number, you also will get an email stating your final z-score. Unfortunately, I don't really know how it is calculated. It says that a score higher than 0 indicates that you've done it better than average, and lower than 0 means you've done worse than average. I thought it would be between 0 and 1, but I got a score of 2.1 something. So I don't exactly know how they calculated it, but probably if you drop your ranking number and your z-score in the comments, you can probably compare a bit of what the z-score distribution will be, and you can see how well you've done the test itself. So this year we did a entrance exam to decide who of the students gets a seat in the Bachelor. This is because it's a numerus fixus studie, so there are not enough places for everyone to study at Delft. But unfortunately the government in the Netherlands are discussing about bringing back drawing lots to decide who gets to study at these highly sought after studies. In this article, unfortunately it's in Dutch, they name the reasons why, for example people with a migration background, and also families that have a lot of money can pay other students that already passed the exam to help a lot with preparing their kids to also go there. So it basically becomes a pay to win for a lot of studies. This is mainly for medicine and not as much for computer science, which is a good thing because the universities can decide themselves if they want to do drawing lots or they want to do an entrance exam. And I think that Delft will stick with the entrance exam, as in the first year 30% of the students already drop out because the level is too high. So they want to ensure that they get the best of the best students. So I suspect that they will still use the entrance exam for next year as well. Of course, there's no guarantee that it will be an entrance exam, so maybe it will also be drawing lots, which is quite unfortunate because I think that more people will drop out because their level just isn't high enough. but unfortunately we as students can't say anything about it, and it's up to the government and to the university itself if they will reinstate drawing lots or if they will stick to using an entrance exam. So the next step, if you've got your ranking number, is to go to Studie link to accept your place. You can do this here. Here it says to do. There will be a button here you can click to actually accept or reject your spot. Because I already did it, it's under finish now. You have arranged your placement, it says. So that is the next step. You have to do it in 2 weeks. And if you don't do it in 2 weeks, your place will be gone and it will go to the next person. There have been some issues with the StudyLink website itself, where on the 15th itself you couldn't actually accept your place because the button under to do didn't show up, so you couldn't accept your place. And later on they also reported that a server error made it difficult sometimes to process your acceptance. So if you did it on the 15th or the 16th, I would advise to still go here and look if you're still accepted, if everything went well, because it would really suck if you accepted your place but via some error you didn't get in because your place didn't get accepted in the right way. Also, an important step is for the Dutch student to get your studiefinanciering. You can do this by googling studiefinanciering and going to this page and clicking on aanvragen, and here you can log in with your digital ID, and you will be led through the process of asking your basisbeurs and also getting a loan from the government. Also important to know is for the Dutch students that if you just finished high school and immediately after summer vacation you go study at Delft, it might also be handy to ask for a studieoverbrugging. Here you'll get money for the 4 months between high school and the Delft bachelor. Then lastly, I wanted to point out that the people that got a ranking number between 550 and the number 800, to still keep looking if you can get in. This process will end in half of August, I think, because people will forget to accept their places or they will reject their places, so their places move on to the next ranking number. If you're above 800, unfortunately I don't think you have any chance, but below 800 you have quite a high chance, especially if you're like 600 or in the low 700s. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.